is one last thing, preliminary expenses. Colleagues wanted to know, right, what is the treatment? Here is it. Preliminary expenses, write-off is over a period of 8 years. If Mr. Krishnan, Mr. Vikas decides that I will write off over 3 years, they are happy with that. Max 8 years. You can't go beyond 8. Okay. So now my question is, right, a very simple question. A very, very simple question. Technically, we are saying there's one more thing now, right? When we are on this topic of maximum 8 years, there is one more thing that I want to address beyond preliminary expenses, and then I'll go to pre-operative. This 8 years, I'm bringing in a lot of structuring in this discussion, okay? I'm bringing a lot of structuring, right? Because you all wanted that. One more thing which you can carry forward for 8 years, and here is a tax colleague, is unabsorbed depreciation and carry forward of losses. Correct? Now this is for you, ma'am. We just move out of preliminary expenses for 2 minutes. Understand a new concept. It is known as carry forward of losses. Forget unabsorbed depreciation. Okay? Carry forward of losses. So if you make a loss this year, income tax allows you to carry that loss for 8 years. Thank you. So that in the future, within that 8 years, if you make profits, you will adjust that losses against the profits. So this year 20 crore loss, next year 60 crore profit, my taxable base is 60 minus 20, 40 crores. Carry forward. Okay. My question is sharing a simple structuring question. I am asking you as a client, can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? And I am not saying that you give me the solution, give me one of the solutions. I have made losses. I have consistently made losses. Idea is within that 8 years, if I make profits, I'll adjust it. It's a technical question. So if I make a loss in 2010, that will lapse in 2018. 8 years. Let's say during this period I am not making profits. Then in 2018 it will lapse. It will lapse. I am in 2017. Help me please carry forward for more than 8 years. It's a very tough call, but I am pushing it to you all. Sir is already smiling.
The profit for 2017 is adjusted against this.
There is no profit, ma'am. Bharti ma'am, I'm sorry I went fast. There is no profit in 2017.
No. Till the entire period there is no.
Make your loss further.
Up.
And then carry forward again.
No. You have a very nice way of putting it across in Hindi. Right? My Hindi is not that great. My point is, this loss cannot be carried forward. If you are making a loss in 2017, that can be carried forward to 2017 plus.
Money to pay that loss and then.
No. Sir, use it. I'll be the happiest here. Not everything today is valuation. Something known as values, and I'm more than happy to share it. Then what your client should consider at this point of time is, I'll spend 5 minutes on that. It's not a part of project finance, but I'm just spending 5 minutes max. And what your client can consider at this point of time is a merger. Because if there is a merger, what the law says is, this is for you also, what the law says is, if there is a merger, then the carry forward is 8 years from the date of the merger. And where should you look for such candidates? You should look out for such candidates in, now can I explain this? Thank you for your smiles, but in case I have not communicated, if Pawan sir's company does a merger in 2017, then technically, mind you explained it beautifully, this is looking at you straight and saying, technically, these losses can again carry it forward for 8 years from the date of the merger. Please read about Aditya Birla, feel happy. Please read about Keynes, feel happy. But I can also tell you one thing, an equally number of mergers and acquisitions is not going reported, but it is happening. Where is it happening? It is happening with respect to BIFR cells. BIFR companies, it's happening with respect to distressed asset sales with banks. So you could possibly go across. I said I'll spend max 5 minutes and not more than that. Okay, right? Not more than that. But since some of you all had queries, I've just addressed it. Please understand, you will find, sir, Shailesh sir, you will find some clients who are saying, loss lapse hone wala hai. Simple plain things, my friends. Simple plain things, right? A simple client, right? He was sitting on losses, right? Share investments, and okay, you don't need to say that. If you make share investments, part and parcel, you sit on losses. And nowadays with this market, moment you say you have made investments, it has to be assumed that you are sitting on losses. Okay, how do you make use of that? Simple. All that these guys could have done at this point of time, right, is due respects. If you are sitting on losses in the last week of March, you could have technically, and you have made some, you would obviously know, you have made some short-term gains. All that you need to do is sell at a loss, book a short-term loss, adjust it against your short-term gains. And by the way, sell in the last week of March, buy it back again in April 1st week. Your portfolio remains unchanged. But what is the benefit is, simple, these are all the loopholes. The benefit is, he's already smiling, the benefit is you adjust your short-term gains with your short-term losses. Here is one case, a case where you would see this, which sell, distressed asset sell. What is happening here is, you are carrying forward the losses. And by the way, please note, I'm putting one last line here, a very simple one last line. You will technically, you will read some, one last line, and right, any interaction can be private, want to revert back to pre-operative, right? But I just thought I'll give you a flavor. You would see, ma'am, you will be astonished, you are joining our field. You will see an Economic Times ad, which says, available loss-making companies for sale at a premium. And you will wonder why and what basis is this premium? Simple. People like me are guiding on the other side. So we will say, sir, आपका losses है ना, उसका benefit मिलने वाला है उसको. Simple. So he will sit down and say, what is the benefit to you? Oh my God, you are saving 30% on taxes. Let's talk. Food for thought. Simple food for thought. Just thought I'll share this with you. Please note, preliminary expenses written off over a period of time. We come to pre-operative expenses. Thank you for your questions. One thing remains, pass through, pay through. I'll address it definitely after an interaction, right?